Welcome to lemonsworld for extra lemons crap.
Hey everybody, we've been doing this for a few years now, so we've got a lot of comments on the YouTube channel and we thought we'd share some with you.
Good work, guys.
Yet another fun-filled weekend of crap cars.
I love it. Thanks, guys.
You Lemons guys are legends.
0 dislikes. Exactly how it should be. This stuff is golden.
I like this next one. Nick, I love you.
Y'all are pretty okay.
The only thing stopping Lemons being more popular and successful around the world is you two talentless Muppets. Seriously, get a couple of folks with actual personalities. You are both utterly f***ing useless.
Great wrap-up, as usual. I would watch much longer versions of these.
Heartbreaking work of staggering genius.
Thanks for watching Lemons World.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Fantastic, incredible. They remind me of puppets. Puppets. I've always hated puppets.